Wow, the surface of the Earth. So natural, so primitive. So disgusting. Unit 1, what on earth are we doing on the Earth?
We have been ordered to drill a hole for a new piling.
And what am I supposed to do?
You are in charge.
In charge, huh? I like the sound of that. Well then, you boys get the drilling. I'll stay here and be in charge.
Commence pre-calculated drill procedure.
Ah, yes. A lot of responsibility.
Mr. Jetson.
Huh? What? Who? I wasn't sleeping. You were sleeping.
Mr. Jetson, we found something.
Well, what do you know? There was already a hole in your hole.
Protocol states we cannot continue drilling until our supervisor has inspected the site and declared it safe.
Me?
Uh-huh.
Any chance I can do that from right here? No? Oh, okay. I'm going in. Bye-bye.
Boy, what a scaredy cat.
You're gonna be fine, George. Everything is okay, George. You're gonna be fine, George. Everything is okay. Hey, guys, I made it. It looks pretty safe to me.
Keep going, sir.
Oh, darn it, dumb drill bot. Who tells who what to do around here anyway? Who killed the lights? Spacesuit lights to maximum. Much better.